Welcome back to Channel of USA Auto Revolution. Today we explore the futuristic Lexus Luxury Motorhome 2028 Ranger, a remarkable fusion of premium craftsmanship, advanced engineering, and next-generation mobility designed to redefine elite recreational travel. The 2028 Lexus Ranger Motorhome is expected to feature a powerful hybrid twin-turbo V6 engine paired with advanced electric motor assistance, delivering an estimated 520 horsepower, which ensures exceptional balance between power output and fuel efficiency. Lexus integrates its renowned hybrid technology with intelligent all-wheel drive, allowing smooth torque distribution across terrains while maintaining quiet and refined performance that luxury travelers demand. The powertrain is engineered to deliver strong acceleration despite its large structure, while maintaining efficient energy consumption with an estimated driving range exceeding 550 miles, combining fuel and electric operation. The exterior design reflects Lexus' signature styling language with a bold, spindle-inspired front fascia, sharp LED matrix lighting system, aerodynamic sculpted body panels, and premium metallic paint options. The motorhome measures approximately 28 feet in length and offers a wide-body SUV-styled stance, providing excellent road presence while ensuring manageable maneuverability through advanced adaptive steering and intelligent parking assistance systems. The Ranger rides on heavy-duty adaptive air suspension, which automatically adjusts ride height and stiffness according to terrain, ensuring maximum comfort during long highway journeys or uneven off-road surfaces. Inside, the Lexus Ranger 2028 showcases extraordinary craftsmanship, featuring handcrafted leather upholstery, natural wood accents, brushed aluminum trims, and ambient multi-zone lighting, creating a serene lounge-like environment. The spacious interior is designed with modular living arrangements, including a convertible king-size sleeping area, expandable lounge seating, and a fully equipped smart kitchen featuring induction cooking systems, compact refrigerator, automated storage compartments, and premium coffee brewing unit. The motorhome also features a luxury bathroom with rain shower system, heated flooring, smart mirror display, and water recycling technology, improving sustainability during long travel routes. Technology remains at the core of the Lexus Ranger experience, featuring a 24-inch panoramic infotainment display supported by Lexus Advanced AI Assistant, allowing voice-activated control over navigation, entertainment, climate, lighting, and security settings. The vehicle includes 5G connectivity, satellite navigation, remote monitoring through smartphone integration, and an advanced surround sound audio system tuned by Mark Levinson, delivering concert-quality acoustics throughout the living cabin. The digital cockpit integrates augmented reality head-up display, providing real-time driving data, navigation overlays, and hazard warnings, enhancing driver awareness. Safety features represent one of the strongest aspects of the Lexus Ranger 2028, incorporating Lexus Safety System Plus Elite, which includes adaptive cruise control with predictive traffic analysis, lane tracing assist, automated emergency braking with pedestrian and animal detection, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic collision avoidance, night vision camera assistance, and driver fatigue monitoring technology. The motorhome is also equipped with a reinforced structural frame, multiple airbag deployment zones, tire pressure monitoring with terrain analysis, and autonomous emergency steering support, ensuring maximum passenger protection. Performance capabilities remain impressive considering the motorhome's size, with an estimated top speed of 120 miles per hour and a smooth acceleration profile optimized for stability. The intelligent terrain management system provides multiple drive modes, including highway comfort mode, sport performance mode, snow traction mode, and off-road adventure mode, giving drivers confidence in diverse environmental conditions. The expected starting price of the Lexus Luxury Motorhome 2028 Ranger is projected around $220,000 American dollars, depending on customization packages and optional technology upgrades. Lexus plans global market availability beginning with North America, Europe, Middle East, Japan, and selected luxury recreational vehicle markets in Australia and Asia by late 2028, targeting premium travelers seeking ultimate comfort combined with advanced innovation. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible luxury motorhome, make sure to support the channel and complete your subscription for more future automotive revelations.